Welcome back. Members of the Goa Legislative Assembly offered their condolences to late Matanhy Saldanha. All the MLAs recollected the selfless sacrifices made by Matanhy for the upliftment of the downtrodden people. MLAs also recalled his principles. Other eminent Goan personalities like industrialist Ashok Kare, Dr. Kasturibai Desai, Sulekhabai Yeshwant Rao, Remy Kulaso and Kirtankar Radhabai Kamath were also remembered with due respect.
So व्यक्ती of prominence म्हाका दिसता गोंयची दिश्ट काडची पडटली. खूब जाणांनी म्हाका परत परत हे केलें, माथानीचे कंडोन केलेच, पण तुवें मातशी हेल्थाची काळजी घे. पण हें पळयतकच गोंयचीच काळजी घेवची पडटली अशी थोडीशी चिंता म्हाका जावपाक लागल्या. कारण अशे मनीस वी कॅनॉट लूज. शेवटी इट इज हीज विश. We can only reciprocate by keeping their memories alive, by performing what they wanted us to perform.
Whatever he could do and whatever he had his dreams for Goa, he could in fact put them to reality.
प्रत्येक आमदाराक आरोग्याचे कंपल्सरी चेकअप वर्सांतून किमान 2 फावटी करचे अशें हांव म्हणून आमी ताच्या खातीर बसुया, आमी उलोवया. ह्या सभागृहाची हाका संमती आसची, कारण प्रत्येक आमदाराचे जीवन हे महत्वाचें आसता. प्रत्येक नागरिकाचें महत्वाचें आसाच, तांची सगळ्यांची काळजी घेवयाच, पण येणाऱ्या काळात ही सुद्धा गोष्ट करणे आवश्यक आसा.
ह्या ताच्या जल्माच्या गांवांत एकूच तेणें एक प्रोजेक्ट काडलेलो. कांसावलीच्या गांवांत एक बरें फुटबॉल ग्राउंड आनीक एक कॉम्प्लेक्स. आयज जरी तर जाता ह्या सरकारान आनी ह्या सभाघरान ह्या पॉलिटिकान तरी तेणें कितें केलां जाल्यार ही गोश्ट तेणें उगडासाक करून दवरलेली आहा. ह्या कॉम्प्लेक्साक वा ह्या ग्राउंडाक बाब मातानी साल्दानाचें नांव घालून दवरचें.
हांव ताजे कडेन मागता की जे हे विचार ताणें मागिल्ले साल्वादोर मुंद पंचायतीच्या अंडर जी तळें आसा तें ब्युटिफिकेशन ताणें आपूण करतलो म्हूण सांगिल्लें. ह्या तळ्याचें समज ब्युटिफिकेशन फुडें म्हजो प्रस्ताव आसा करचें आनी तांचें नांव त्या तळ्याक दिवचें.
Requesting even the CM also that a bust office should be put up in the Kansauli market.
Two activists or people who through a movement come to the forefront and are chosen to govern the state. It is sometimes said that it is perhaps easy to make noises while in the opposition, but I would say that it is even more difficult when you are in the ruling side to deliver, to do something for Goa. The whole of Goa was looking to this personality called Matanhy Saldanha as to how he will deal with such important portfolios, how he will deliver, especially at a time when the Goans felt they are at a crossroad.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
My MLA Anand Sheth is the new Deputy Speaker of the Goa Assembly. He has been elected unopposed for the post. The Speaker of Goa Assembly, Rajendra Arlekar, declared Anand Sheth as Deputy Speaker during the budget session on Monday.
The following nominations have been received by the Goa Legislature Secretariat for the election of the Deputy Speaker. 1. Shri Anant Sheth, proposed by Shri Manohar Parrikar, seconded by Shri Dilip Parulekar. 2. Shri Anant Sheth, proposed by Shri Lakshmikant Parsekar, seconded by Shri Pramod Sawant. As there is only one candidate for the post of Deputy Speaker, that is Shri Anant Sheth, I hereby declare that Shri Anant Sheth be elected unanimously to the post of Deputy Speaker of the House and offer him my hearty congratulations. I request Shri Manohar Parrikar, Honorable Chief Minister, and Shri Pratap Singh Raoji Rane, Leader of Opposition, to escort him to his seat.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
And unique kind of celebration in the state, All Saints procession, which is known as Santache Pursão, was celebrated at Goa Velha on Monday. This feast is celebrated on the 5th Monday of the Lenten season every year. Thousands of people participate in the procession.
All Saints procession is celebrated every year at Goa Velha. It is commonly known as the Santache Pursão. This procession is followed by an Eucharistic celebration at St. Andrew's Church in Goa Velha. Thousands of people follow the procession with a belief of getting healed from different illness and seeking blessings. It is also said that this procession takes place at only 2 places in the world. One is celebrated in Rome and the other in Goa. People of different beliefs and religion take part in the procession. It's a big feast in the village of Goa Velha. Our reporter in Goa Velha, Surendra Madkekar.
In a calling attention on Monday during the budget session, Ponda MLA Lavu Mamledar highlighted the fear and anxiety of people of Kutti Khandepar. He said that people have demanded to turn back the decision on inclusion of the area in Ponda Planning Development Authority. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has, however, assured to revert back the decision by 3rd of April.
त्या 5 मेंबरांनी तांकां एक्सेंट दिलो की ती एरिया इन्क्लूड करपाक. लोकांक सांगलें की एफआर जवळ 100 ते 150% मेळटलो म्हणून. पूण लोकांक मागीर कळ्ळें की ही पीडीए जर जाली जाल्यार थंय मोठे मोठे रस्ते जातले आनी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चरा लागून थंयची झाडां कापली गेल्ली वतली. तशेंच ज्यो सुविधा जाय पडटल्यो लोकांक त्यो मेळच्यो ना. त्याच बरोबर लोकांक हे पीडीएच्यो फायली अप्रूव करून घेवपाक एक प्रोसेस, लॉंग प्रोसेसाची गरज पडटली. त्या बरोबर फी लोकांची वाडटल्यो. ह्या कारणामुळे सगळ्या लोकांच्या मनान एक भीती निर्माण जाली. लोकांक आमी इलेक्शना वेळार एश्युरन्स दिल्लें की 1 म्हयने भितर ही पीडीए खांडेपारच्यान काडटले म्हणून आमी. आनी त्या प्रमाणे कुर्टी खांडेपार विलेजीन आमकां त्या एकाच एश्युरन्साचेर आमकां जवळ जवळ 70% मतदान केल्लें. हांव ऑनरेबल सीएमा कडेन मागतां की त्यांनी ही जी पीडीए खांडेपार कुर्टी विलेजीक लायल्या ती 3 एप्रील पयलीं विड्रॉ करची. थँक्यू.
तुजो 1 म्हयनो केन्ना सोंपता? 3 तारीख. सरकार जाल्या वचून 1 म्हयनो मरे. 9 तारीख मरे.
3 मार्चाक इलेक्शन जाल्लें.
नाही, इलेक्शन जावन सरकार 9 तारखेक आयला. 3 तारखे पयलीं करता.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for another short break. Stay tuned.